We can listen to some of this for a while. Good old Carl's music. Let's do that. Okay, well, we're not on Be Right Back mode anymore. We're actually back. I just realized I need to make like a note for myself. Because I put all of these on YouTube. And, what's the date today? Part 1. What did we do? We did... By the way, if you're watching this on YouTube right now, definitely hit me up with a subscribe and like. I'd appreciate it. And comment below as well if you enjoy this stuff. I'm just going to keep doing this. I'm enjoying it. I'm probably going to try and upload a video a day. So you'll probably get this. You can see the video is dated like 15th, but you'll probably get this on like the 20th or something. Cleaned up status log code. There we go. Oops. I don't need to save that. Okay. That's there. We'll figure out what we do 15th May part 2, which is this. They cleaned up status log. No, we're not cleaning up status log again. Okay. So next up, what we actually want to end up doing is, what do we want to do? We want to handle when they try to, those edge cases, like when they try to sell or something, we want to say, please provide a parameter. And I think we can make a util for that, like a sort of, I don't know if we want to make a util for it. I guess let's just, like, let's not make a util for it right now. If they try to, oh, the price command, we actually want to move. Have we done that yet? To do move to Luno API, because the Luno API already has the price. So we're going to sort out these to-dos here. So I'm literally going to call this video handling edge cases in user input. So that's probably going to be the title of this video, which you've probably already seen. Right, so what we're going to do is I'll do the handle no parameters first. They are all already in the, you know, API, and then we can sort out the price one as well. So what we're going to do first, you know, I'll call this logs actually, not just log. Should we call them messages? Yes. Although maybe I need to call it status message now. And I'll call it status message. Status message. Nice. What am I doing? Okay, so we have status message. I call this get status. Yeah. Call it log status. And then back out here, we got to call it log status as well. Sorry, there's so many things. I'm just cleaning up code now. So we have to handle the no parameters, which we will have to go and do in here. And we'll say if let's console log it actually, see what comes up. Logged asset. And then we'll do this actually in a new line. There we go. That's cool. So let's run this, and then we're gonna say just status. What? Wow, really? Undefined. Cannot read property. Okay, that's cool. That's good. Because it is undefined. So we know that log status is undefined. Yeah, logged asset. So we'll say if asset doesn't exist, then we want to say client dot say, and we'll just say channel, and we'll say unsupported, or say parameter acquired. Actually, I don't even have to say anything. I'm just going to return. We don't have to actually say it I'll just say it in person. I'll say while watching the stream, like, oh no, that's not how you do it, you know? Because I do actually look at the stream. This shouldn't run without me. I'm so used to writing code and then having to write messages for the users, but I'm streaming, so I can just say to the person, no, you're doing it wrong. Different way of thinking. What am I doing? What am I doing? Damn it. Okay, that's great. Same thing has to happen here, actually. If no asset, return. And with the buy as well. I mean, actually, this could just be or no asset. There we go. And then we'll do it for the sell too. Say or no asset. Great. See this stuff, so many things. Hey, Mohammed, thank you for the follow, dude. Have I handled all the edge cases? That was really quickly. Really quick. I can't English. So we've handled it for status. We've handled it for sell. We've handled it for no params. That's good. We have sorted that out, which is perfect. Wait, you can only see this. You can't see this hand. Fix that. Oh no, it's not gonna work. Change my camera setup sometime. I don't know. I should make it more like forward facing. But yeah, it's perfect. So at the moment, the way this price command works is we have like a whole command down here that says like price. Oh, I was actually just wondering, if you want to check out my previous videos, they're there on YouTube. This channel might change, but if it does, I'll have to change it. Yeah. Wow. It actually tells me what I do. Cool. Anyways, what was I gonna say? Got distracted. Yeah, so this price command does a whole thing where we fetch ticker data, we get ticker pairs and all this stuff, get base and counter, like, oh, so many things. But the thing is, we already have, wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, we have cooldowns for checking the price as well, which is useful. So maybe we can take that over. We can take the price cooldowns over. So let's move the price cooldowns. Can we fit it in there? So close others. Close others. we have this cool little price pair thing. Great, fantastic, you know. I think right now I'm just gonna go full screen so we have some more space to look at. I'll move back to chat later. We're not really testing that right now. We could have the price cooldowns. Oh, these are just gonna be all cooldowns, actually. So I could just prefix each of these lines with the price. And initial date will just be new date. Cooldowns will be, they'll be part of the interfaces here, so we'll just call it cooldowns. Export interface cooldowns. Already have the interface part. Fantastic. Yeah, we have cooldowns. We can import it. Let's go back to price. The way this works is we're gonna have a call get price. All these get available, we should change their names to log available. Because that's essentially what it's gonna do. Log available and log balances. The way we do that, let's go back here. I'm in the wrong place. We don't need the commands, we need this. So these get available and get balances will be log available. And yeah. Let's make like a little shortcut. Just const case array. And we'll make one for balances as well. Case val. It's gotta be exclamation mark. I guess I could just assume like get the command as in the command could be because I always forget that exclamation mark. Get command. Command is going to be substring. Command dot substring. And substring from 1. And then if we go back to I sneezed. Yeah. So we did the first check up there is immediately like, hey, it's this thing. So now if I do, I write in the chat, I guess for YouTube's purposes, if we say array, yeah, the commands still work. It's just, yeah, that's cool. I just want to check that in quickly. Right. What we were doing is we're back to the Luno API. And I guess I call this Luno API or should I call this Luno something else? I'll just call it Luno, I guess. I don't know. Fine. I'm trying to think, like, I don't like doing this index file thing like this, but I'll do it anyway. So we want to get log price. And how does the current one work? The current one works where we get the params. We get the input pair, and that's pretty much it. So what I'm gonna do is I will say input pair. Input pair, we're gonna say a string. Maybe a void. And because we already have the prices, we don't have to call APIs to go fetch them again. There's probably better ways to handle this, but say current time, seconds, and just do the whole thing. Call this uppercase input pair. Let's call this raw input pair instead. Let's try to call it like uppercase, and then we'll just say input pair equals raw input pair dot to uppercase. That's probably better. And we'll just say as input pair. And then we'll just say if input view list. We get this from constants somewhere. Which constants? Yeah, we should probably... Yeah, this input pair is a type, and we need to put that under our interfaces file here. So I guess according to alphabetical stuff, we'll have type. We have types at the top, don't we? Okay, we're gonna, since it's a type, we'll put it at the top. Looks like that's the thing we're gonna go with. The input pair. So there you can see like all the... Oh shit. Okay. What? Oh, that's XBT. Fine. Okay, look guys, we're only gonna have the input pair will be BTC to... I love it though. Okay. I think we're going to keep our existing one there. I think, guys, what we're going to do is we'll keep the existing thing that we have there in price. The only thing we're going to do differently is we're going to take away the USDC stuff. Because the USDC stuff we have hooked up in the other one. Gotta think, there's so many things. Oh wait, just go grab something. Yeah, this is mind-blowing. Have some tea. Okay, so I'm gonna ditch the USDC options because we don't want like USDC, and we're gonna get rid of all the USDC options because the USDC ones are the ones where we can interact with our own Luno API. So this initial price command will still work, so we can get prices. Yeah, no. We are not going to remove all the existing ones. We'll keep this as is. This will keep working. Because these are pairs. But we'll also be able to just say price. So I'm going to do this at this level up here already. First of all, we're going to make this app params at 0. Say const pair equals params at 0. I know this price command is a bit confusing. It doesn't... Hey, guys, the song that's on now is something that like is me singing. Quite weird. Instead of saying params, we're going to call it pair. There we go. pair. So what I'm gonna do now, we're gonna say if pair, if this list dot includes pair, and this list is gonna be we'll say .2 uppercase. Yeah, wait. First of all, yeah. I'm trying to think of the best way to do this. I need to open this up on the side. Yeah, we converted up there already. Or no pair. Yes, theoretically. Why am I sneezing so much? Ugh, so many things. Okay, the pair is going to be uppercase. Like we're going to say uppercase pair. So I'm already going to say pairs params dot to uppercase. There we go. And if BTC or ETH, this array includes the pair. Then we want to return Luno API dot log price, because then we don't need to call the API, you know, then we just do our thing. Yeah, but this pair over here, yeah, we'll just say pair or params at 0. What am I doing? Ugh, flip. Okay, this is a string. Okay, at 0 it will be a string. Oh. We need to wrap this. And we'll say if no pair, return. We're just gonna straight up return if there's no pair included. Log price, we'll say pair. This is great. I think that's a good thing. I need to close this. Yeah. So now I want to check and make sure all the input pairs. Gosh. Okay, I just got to replace all of these with pair. It's fine. We're actually cleaning up our code. Oh, flip. Is this different? Do we ever say const pair somewhere? Yeah, we sort this out higher up. Oh. There we go. Now we'll keep this as pair. Very random. I'm not too impressed by myself. Oh, this is painful. Okay. Back to the Luno API. We definitely do not need the cooldowns. We definitely don't need this. Yeah. Sorry, my brain is just doing its own thing right now. Flip. Sorry, I knocked my mic. Try and drink my tea. Okay. We don't need this as thing. We don't need any of this. Yeah. I guess let's just do client.say channel. Let me say work in progress. We'll do the typical if no channel, then return. Can I do this at the top? Within a function body. Okay. What is channel supposed to be? This is a string. Okay. Okay, we're gonna export channel. And this is gonna be channel. Otherwise it's gonna be a string. env channel. And we're immediately gonna say env channel. And then we're gonna say const channel equals env channel. Otherwise, that channel will always be a string. Oh, it's freaking fantastic. Of course, OAuth password. And now we're gonna say const OAuth password equal like straight say OAuth password, otherwise empty. Because now we know it's always there, and we throw the error up front. Bot username, same thing. We'll call it bot username. And we'll say if bot username doesn't exist, then that's cool, that's fine. And now we're gonna say const bot username gonna equal bot username. And we can sort it out like up front, you know, instead of having to do the checks all over again. That's fine, I think. Client ID secrets. I guess we could call it client ID. Secret. And then just say client ID and secret. We'll do that, and then we'll say const client ID equals client ID. Otherwise, it's going to equal that. And we'll say const secret. Quite an ADD programmer here. But I mean, I think this is really nice to upfront just go and say, hey, this is what it's going to be. And that actually works out quite nicely. Cool. So now theoretically we're never going to need this again. Yeah, that's quite nice. Let's go through all the cases of this throughout the whole app now. That's nice. Yeah, we're gonna search the entire app. Back here, we don't need that anymore. We know the channel will always exist. Because if it doesn't, we're throwing errors right at the start, you know? Like the bot's broken. Is this always... Oh shit, honestly. It always exists. Where's my no channel? I don't know where my no channel thing is. I mean, it's there. One. Fantastic. This is awesome. You also say if channel anyway? Right. That just works as well. Fantastic. I mean, I assume the bot still works. Move this to the side, see Twitch chat. Bot's now online, available, works. Okay, cool. So put it back up here again. Do I use if no for anything else? That's fine. It's meant to be there. Access token or no client ID. Client ID will now always exist. Access token makes sense. We should wait for that. But yeah, these client ID things we don't have to check for anymore. Nice cleanup. That's okay. That's all okay. Oh, we don't have to worry about this. We don't have to worry about this either. Fantastic. This we should be checking at the higher level, to be honest. For the buy as well. We should be checking that back here. To return params at 0 and that. We'll do that here as well for status. And we'll do that. No params at 0. Then we return. We don't need the question mark, you know? And that's, there will always be a pair then. Yeah, that's better. That actually seems a bit messier, to be honest. I'm not too sure, but trying to like pick up things up front so that these things are more modular over here. I'm like not feeling too great about my decisions here. Yeah, we might end up changing that later and doing some checks or something. Because I feel like, oh, this should actually be cleaner. Yeah, let's do it inside the buy thing. Never mind. Let's undo everything we've done here. I think I'm happy with what I did there. If no params, we ditch that. We will always have a pair. Do the thing, the check here. Like that's just, I don't know. We could theoretically export that to its own function. I actually want to keep this as simple as possible. So maybe we do go back to the cell and say no asset return, a better escape route. We will say that it is potentially undefined. And for the buy command as well, it is potentially undefined. For these, like all these incoming pairs are potentially undefined. Well, this log price will be assets. It will be potentially undefined as usual. So as usual, we say no assets, say return. That's fine. We're gonna have some more tea quick. I'm gonna change the tunes back to these. I like the tunes. I'm just worried about copyright. Could be a problem. Because if we go down that rabbit hole, we end up, you know, with those problems. And I don't want those problems. So back to Carl's music. Let's just close others. That's getting a bit big, and this is also getting a bit big. I almost wish I wrote unit tests so that I could be more sure of what's going on. Okay, I'm happy with this. What I want to do for this is handle prices. And right now it's all just based off of the params. So I'm going to call this return handle price command. Yeah, and we will make a function like right up here. I think maybe we do that in here. I don't know. Can we make something called handlers? I'll just make it down here. Air string. Raw pair. We'll call it raw pair. At least, like, you know, that makes this a little bit easier to read. I want this to be, you know, one-liners, easy to read kind of stuff, you know. That's the goal with that. So. Okay. So, progress. Good progress. Oh, what am I doing? Yeesh. Okay. That was some very good progress. Yeah, I'm gonna ignore messages for myself. Why am I ignoring messages for myself? Oh, ignore messages from the own, like its own. Yeah, like we don't want it to do like some infinite loop thing. Dead. That would be cool. No, I'm joking. That would be cool at all. That'd be horrible. What do we currently have? So I wanted to check something quick. Currently, if we do price BTC ZAR, 1 Bitcoin is worth that much. Hey, I need Java. Thanks for following. At the moment, I have tea, unfortunately, but I do. Some coffee would be nice. Yeah, what was I gonna say? I don't even know, bro. So we can get the price for that. So I want to get a similar thing and say 1 BTC is worth so many USD. So instead of doing the whole thing there, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our Luno API. and we will say, when we get that price command, currently if we say price BTC, work in progress. Okay. Status USDC. Oh, that was another thing I wanted to do. Oh wait, that does work. Never mind. Great. So how much do we have? We have some USDC, so let's buy some BTC. Let's check that our bot still. Oh, I said but. Goodbye. That'd be useful. Buy BTC. My bot is really slow today. Maybe it's ignoring messages from... Oh, it worked. Successfully bought it. That's good. And successfully created a sell order. I don't know what this other thing is doing. No response from Twitch. Failed to fetch tickers. Okay, so that was a price error. I think my internet just cut out for a brief moment. Sorry about that. Okay, that's cool. I was thinking later on we might wanna do those alerts as well to listen for selling orders and stuff. But I don't think we can get to that now. Oh, we could maybe if I take another break. Yeah. What else was I gonna say? Okay. So I want to... Oh, I don't need this initial date anymore. I'm thinking ahead of myself now. I'm thinking of like, you know, oh, I do want to get that price alert to say whenever something got sold. You know, that would be epic. But that might take some time, and I like to split my videos up by every hour. So what I want to do is finish with this price thing. So price BTC does work in progress. If not, it says 1 BTC is worth something. So now we're just going to do the classic if asset. What is this? We know that this asset is uppercase, right? Yeah. The asset equals BTC. Then we will return. We'll say client.say and then we'll return. One BTC is worth we did keep the tickers here, right? Prices. Okay, yeah, so we do have that. 1 BTC is worth USDC. What do we use for formatting? We used something for formatting. This dot prices dot ask. Not dot ask, it's dot BTC. Yeah, what's up prices? What? Okay, I gotta look at this somewhere else. Okay, let's see. This dot prices dot ETH to USDC. I mean, it's gonna be BTC to USDC, but yeah. This dot prices dot BTC to USDC, and then we're gonna say ask, right? No, bid. Bid is what we can. No, ask is what we can buy it for. And then I need to find out from the prices command how we format it. Get formatted input pair. Okay, that's a util thing. That's fine. We can import that, which is good. What is this? An input pair. Wait a second. Oh no, we don't need that. Oh, crap. How does this work then? Sorry guys. It's not that. This the local string en.us. Where is it now? Expected 0 arguments. What? I guess I have to convert that to a number first. That's cool. Yeah. We'll do the same thing with Ethereum. There we go. All done. We're almost done with the bot, where I'm gonna probably stop working on the bot and build like a React dashboard or something. So that's pretty cool. It's nice that we're getting there, that we're almost done with that. Yeah, flip. So that's cool. We have the ETH thing. So now if we do price, I have to restart the bot. We do a price thing now. What's gonna happen? Price BTC. Nice. And small. I need to update my chat panels. And then price ETH. ETH is worth that much. Nice. How much is that? Price ETH to ZAR. Okay. I'm gonna buy myself some ETH. Oh, it's not working. Failed to fetch tickers. Is that just because I'm fetching it too much? Did I make the monitor prices interval like 1.5? Maybe I should make it 2. Yeah, because I think this fetches the tickers all the time. By doing the price thing, it'd be off a bit. Yeah, interesting. Yeah. So we'll monitor the prices a little bit less often. Maybe that will fix it. Because we definitely bought some ETH. Let's buy some more ETH. Not enough funds. I need... but it says... what's my available? Wait, that's my available, and this is my actual balance. Okay. This is not working, the sell order. Unless the problem happened here when we tried to fetch the prices again. I need to check. Maybe I only did that other thing for... Sorry guys, I'm unorganized. What if I only did that buy order thing? Let's see here. So the buy order, buying for Bitcoin. And afterwards we wait the monitor balances interval, right? We wait to get that before we say get the funds results for this available. Should we just say like plus 10 or something? Different way to wait for that. And I'll wait for this correctly using by monitoring dates. Yeah, we'll have that. I need those comments. I do probably need to break this up into smaller functions sometime to make this a little bit more bearable. Yeah, we did do it for the buy on ETH as well. We wait for the available balance. And yeah. So we also wait for the available balance. Wait for it there as well. Okay. These this doesn't need to be an else if, does it? Turn, right? Yeah, it's better. Return. Yeah, sweet. Okay. Pretty happy with that. If I said it's BTC, we print that. Okay. So yeah, the way this log price thing works, I think we can easily chuck that into its own little function. And we'll say price message. So we'll say function. What did we do here? Did we just say const or function? Function price message takes in the asset, which is a string. This is literally gonna take in like BTC or ETH. So like we know that from the way we set the other thing up. The price message, and we'll let go of a void. So what's going to happen is we will say client dot say panel, and we're going to just do this. One BTC is worth, and instead of saying BTC, we're going to say one asset. And then we'll say ask, which will be a string. I mean, it could not be a string. I don't know. Be undefined. And then we'll say, instead of BTC at USDC, we'll make this asset at USDC. Does not have an annotation. What? Did I say dot? I don't know, guys. I don't freaking know. Oh, wait. Ask must go here. Export default price messages. Yeah, that's good. And then finally over here, we're going to say price message. Will be this. And we'll say assets. And we'll say this dot price. Prices at what we're going to say. Asset. The USDC. Dot ask. Wow, that means we don't need this at all. Ah, fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Wow, I'm quite happy about that, to be honest. That's really great. So we got quite a lot of stuff done here. We did the edge cases, but we also handled like, yeah, some extra features. Awesome. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna take like a few hour break and then come back later. We might even start with some React code later. I actually think we will start with React code later. Just to take a break from this chatbot for a bit, and then maybe we'll come back to the bot again later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end the stream here, and we'll be back in a couple of hours. I hope you guys have been enjoying, and yeah, thank you so much for hanging around. You can see we can sell some BTC now as well, I think. Successfully sold some BTC. I need balance. Bot's quite laggy right now here. I mean, that thing was meant to wait 5 seconds before posting, but you see when I type in balance, then it... Oh, it does say my balances. Are there? So I don't have any Bitcoin to sell, but I can definitely sell some ETH. Actually sell some more. What is the ETH price? ETHs are... It's gone up. I think I'll actually sell some more then. That's pretty cool. So, you know, obviously right now you can't see much. And what I'd actually really like to set up is have a dashboard where we can actually, like, you know, see our code working and stuff. So I'd like to build that in the React app. I'm gonna... Let's commit this. Implemented progress. Progress on Twitch trading bot. Push. Okay. That's great. So we can close that. And we will raid Raygun 007 because he's my friend. He was lurking me last night. And he's playing Guild Wars too. Oh, flip. I'm not... I've got to do it over here. Sorry, my bad, guys. Raid Raygun 007. So that's what I need to do. Guys, thank you so much for being here. It was a lot of fun. Really enjoyed today. It's nice to have a bigger gap to do some of this, you know, and I'll chat to you guys soon. But yeah, definitely, again, before we go, we have a YouTube channel. I'm posting all of these videos on there, so if you want to go find them again later, make sure you follow me there. And if you can, watch the videos that come out and give them a like and follow so we can find more people to join us. That'd be great. And if you're watching the YouTube video, then do the same, please. Comment below. I'm always happy to chat. And if you guys have questions on Twitch, ask me there. If you guys have questions on YouTube, ask me there. Twitch is generally better for questions because I can answer them directly and you can ask follow-up questions and there can be a discussion. But yeah, that's pretty much me. All the best, guys. We'll chat to you soon. Ciao.